Oh, stick it in the microwave if you don't wanna wait. Bitch, you know you can't hesitate. Yeah, don't put that shit in the oven. Yeah, in the microwave, yeah, that's sunny. Woo! Warm that shit real quick. It's like a blow job, it'll get you done real quick. Woo! What you gonna do? Float it in that bitch's ass, yeah, I'm going. Woo! What you gonna do? Yeah, motherfucker, use the microwave if that motherfucker's overdue. Put it in the microwave, yeah, stir it up, yeah, motherfucker look like James Harden, cook it up, yeah, motherfucker, yeah, got you in your ass, and yeah, what's up? What you gonna do? Yeah, that's what's up. Hit you in the back, yeah, that's real bang. Hit you in the motherfucker, yeah, that's dang. Woo! Smoking on the date, that's up. What you gonna do? Yeah, that's what's up. Motherfucker smoking a blunt, yeah, up. Hit that blunt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6, 7 times. Yeah, you'll feel just fine. It'll be alright. Look up in the dream world, yeah, that's where you'll be. That's always right. Woo! Hands in hands with Jesus now. Actually, that's a demon standing there proud. Woo! Bitch, you know it's in a buddy. I'm gonna be like motherfucking Joe Budden. Pussy, bitch. Motherfucker, where you at, bitch? I'll meet you in the back, bitch. I pull up here, motherfucker say what's up. Whoop. Yeah, they wanna ask me where the motherfucking link up at. Where the fuck you keep your lean at? What your motherfucking dealer? Where can I hit him at? Whoop. What you gonna do when you get that shit information, bitch? What you gonna do when you get that installation, bitch? What you gonna do when you get that? What you gonna do when you smack that? What you gonna do when you hitting that bitch from the back and she meal for play, you smack that? What you gonna do? Whoa. What you gonna do? Whoa. What you gonna do? Whoa. Hit that shit right straight from the back, yeah, don't worry about that, ooh. Oh, did you watch that shit, bitch? Yeah, get that motherfucking bitch clean before I hit this. Yeah, think about that dirty ass hoe, I ain't ready to go. Yeah, my motherfucker go from 10 straight to 0.